Ang lala nitong bagong labas sa wireless speaker ni Aurashare guys, with 40 watts super bass speaker na. May cute na dual wireless mic na ring nakasama. Minimalist, ang sarap sa mata ng kulay, ang ganda ng pagkakadesign nila dito. Equipped with 6,000 mAh battery capacity at 40 watts high fidelity speakers both sides. For the back details, may design pero still ang linis. Andyan na rin yung input at yung mga ports niya. Yung function and control buttons andito sa may taas. Itong arrow yung next and previews at yan na rin yung pinaka volume rocker niya. Sa ilalim naman yung product details at yung anti-sleep rubber niya. Yung wireless mic may volume, reverb, voice effects control at may RGB light na. And for the sound test,